Brothers and sisters, let me give you a warning. Never set foot in the Philippine forests. Never. Unless you want to end up like me. Not a pretty sight, am I? My name is Dr. Cedric Apo, and I am cursed. Cursed after my journey through the Luzon rainforest, a place that holds ancient powers far beyond human comprehension. I'm going to tell you the whole story from the breathtakingly beautiful, dream-like beings to the unspeakable horror in the depths of the rainforest, right up to the moment my life was shattered by the curse. Prepare to have your mind blown. For over a decade, I've lived as a cryptozoologist. I've chased shadows and hunted down what most people dismiss as myth and folklore. But when I heard rumors of a giant sighting deep in the Luzon rainforest, I didn't hesitate. I left my post at Conax, packed my bags, and flew back to the Philippines. I didn't know what to expect. So many of these hearsay turned out to be wild goose chases. But I couldn't ignore it. I had to see for myself. I tracked down a man named Bata from a nearby village tribe. He was one of the witnesses of the giant. I offered him $1,000, which is equivalent to probably a year's worth of supplies for his entire tribe. But not even that could persuade him to go. Reluctantly, he agreed to take me 20 miles into the forest, but then left me to face the rest of the journey alone. Is this the spot? I had to stop. Night was falling and I figured I'd continue at dawn. Then, in the dead of night, a strange, acrid smell tore me from my sleep. Smoke. And then, through the moonlit darkness, I saw it. My God! I took some pictures, and he noticed. Thinking I was about to be his meal, I offered up my food. He crouched closer to me. Freaking out, I yanked out my Bluetooth speaker and blasted some tunes, praying it'd win him over. If I hadn't caught it on tape, no one would believe what came next.
We get it almost every night. When that moon gets big and bright, it's a supernatural world of light. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
For a while, I truly believed the giant and I had become best friends. But by morning, he was nowhere to be found. But I had the photos secured. I could have left right then and returned home with a new discovery for mankind. But no, something about the forest pulled me in. I had to know more. So I returned to the same tree where the giant had been. Kapre, Kapre, where are you? I got more bananas for you. I called out to the giant for hours, but was met with utter silence. In my frustration, I started throwing stones. Wow. I had to take some pics. Ooh, she's not camera shy. Hello? Oh, you didn't like that. Sorry. Wait. Hey, you look like Jennie from Blackpink. I wanted to speak with the ladies, but they kept their distance. What else is new? As dusk set in, I noticed some kids playing nearby. One of them even handed me a gift. Skinny dipping, huh? May I join? Some might wonder, why am I not speaking to them in Filipino? The truth is, it wouldn't make a difference. Their language is far removed from any human tongue. Oh no. That looks like I better stay away. Now this is magnificent. Okay. Show off. Is that dinner? I got a banana right here. You look rare. Are you the final boss? Oh shit. I swear, it felt like the forest itself came to my rescue. There was no way I could outrun a Sigbin once it set its sights on me. But the chase led me to an eerie little hut. That's where I met her. Disoriented and uncertain, I accepted her invitation. Whatever this concoction was, it smelled richly savory with a faint undertone of decay, like mushrooms starting to spoil. Did you just get younger?
Brothers and sisters, let me give you a warning. Never set foot in the Philippine forest. Never. Unless you want to end up like me. Not a pretty sight, am I?